Which is the official language of Andhra Pradesh? Telugu. Which is the national reptile of India? King cobra. Who is known as the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Which is the smallest state in India by area? Goa. Which is the national fruit of India? Mango. Bharatanatyam is a dance from which state? Tamil Nadu. Which state is near Maharashtra? Gujarat. Which festival is celebrated by throwing colors in India? Holi. Which state is near Gujarat? Rajasthan. In which state is Darjeeling? West Bengal.